Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and in this video I am going to talk about 15 best features for this tablet. So let's start. The first feature is about multitasking. With Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, the multitasking is on next level. For example, I open this website. Now I want to open another app. I will take out this H panel and then I will select the app, and then I just drag and drop here in the split screen. So now here I can take my notes, and now if you want you can also drag any image or text from this website into your notes. For example, I like this image. I will press and hold it like this with my S Pen, and I can easily drag here into my notes, and then I can change its size, I can rotate it, I can crop it. The next thing is you can also bring any text into your notes. For example, I want this text into my notes. Again, I will use my S Pen, and then I select this text, press and hold it like this, and then I can drag here into my notes. You can also open another app in the split screen. So I will just take out this taskbar. From here I will just select this calculator app, and then I can drag and drop here. So here you can see I have 3 apps, and all of the 3 apps working perfectly fine. I can change their size as well. So here you can see I can reduce the size, I can increase the size, and if you want you can also rotate them. So here you can see I can rotate them as well. You can also take these apps into pop-up view as well. You just have to select this bar from here, press and hold it like this, and you can just drag it like this, and you can open these apps in pop-up view, and you can move anywhere in the screen. Same way, for example, I want to bring this website in pop-up view. Again, I will select this blue bar, and then I will press and hold it like this, and I can drop here anywhere in my screen. So here you can see I have 2 different apps in the pop-up, and behind I have my Samsung Notes. You can also make your favorite app combo. So you just have to select these 3 dots, and here is the star icon. Just select it, and then you can add app pair to taskbar. So it will add it into your taskbar, and then if you go to home screen, and here is your favorite app combo. So you just select it, and it will directly open these 3 apps together. The next feature is about Samsung ecosystem. So whatever I copy on my phone, it will be available in my Tab S9 Plus as well. For example, I will take out this H panel, and then I will scroll to clipboard. So here is my clipboard. Now you can see currently it is empty. Now what I will do, on my phone I open a website. So I open this website, and for example I like this image, so I want to copy this image. So I will just press and hold it like this, and then I select this copy image option. So I will just select this copy image. So this image is now copied to my clipboard in my Tab S9 Plus as well. So I will show you. Now I will take out this H panel. Now here you can see the same image is available in my clipboard in Tab S9 Plus. And now if you want, you can just use it. For example, I open Samsung Notes. I want to bring that image. So I will just press and hold it like this, and I can easily drag here. The next feature is about video pop-up view. For example, I will open this video, and now I will play it. So if I want to bring it in a pop-up view, I just select this icon. The video is now in pop-up mode, and I can move anywhere in my screen. Now I can open my notes, and here I can start taking my notes, and I can also see the video. If I want to make it size bigger, I can just make it like this. And if you want to make it full screen, just select this icon, and here it is available in the full screen. Now you can also swipe it from the corner to bring it back into the pop-up. So here you can see I can just swipe it like this, and I will bring it here. Now for example, you want something from this video, you want any object from this video into your notes. So for example, I want this part. I will use my S Pen. I will just press and hold it like this, and now you can see I can easily drag it here in my notes. The next feature is about book reading. So you can use different apps. I'm using Moon Plus reader app, and in this app you can use your S Pen to flip the page like this, and it will give you like a real flipping experience. The next thing is, if you want to read for a longer period of time, you can use the eye comfort shield option. So I will just bring down this quick panel option from here, and then here is the eye comfort shield. So I will just press and hold it like this, and here I can enable it. Now here you can change the color temperature. So here you can see you can customize the color temperature according to your needs. So this will be really helpful if you want to read for a longer period of time. The next feature is about digital planning. So you can use your Tab S9 Plus for digital planning. I'm using this Penly app. It's an amazing app with different tabs and buttons available. So here you can see we have this year calendar. For example, if I want to select the month of March, I will just select from here and it will open the digital planner for March. Now here on this side I have different dates. So for example, I select 8th. Okay, now here on top you see we have different to-do list option. If I just select it, here I have to-do list, and then if I select notes, here it will give me different templates option. For example, I select this template. Now on top we have different tools available. For example, I can use this pen tool. I can write here. If I want to highlight something, I can highlight. I can create different shapes. Okay, so this app you can use for digital planning. The next feature is about multi-control. So I can use my Tab S9 Plus keyboard to control anything on my Samsung phone. For example, I'm using this trackpad and here is the cursor. Now I want to bring this cursor into my phone. So I will just bring it like this, and you can see the cursor is now available here. Now I can easily move it and I can operate it. Now for example, I want to open this gallery app. I will bring here and I open the gallery app. Now I will bring back to my tablet. So I will bring this cursor back here. So here you can see the cursor is available, and here I will open the gallery as well. Now I want to bring one image from my tablet into the Samsung phone. For example, I want this image. So I will just bring my cursor, I will just press and hold it like this on my tablet, and now I will start moving this image. So I can just move it like this to the edge of the screen, and now here you can see the image is available here in my Samsung phone. And now for example, I can just move it like this, and the image is now available here in my Samsung phone, and you can see this image is open. So if I open this image from here, so I will just escape and then I open this image. So that's the same image now available here. The next feature is about note taking. So there is a new note taking app pre-installed in this tablet. Name of the app is GoodNotes. So if I open it, and here you can see you will get GoodNotes Pro free for a whole year, and they are giving you some exclusive gifts. So I will just close it, and now if you want to take notes, you can just select new from here, and then you can select this quick note option. So here you can see we have different tools available here. So you can use this app for note taking. If you want to use the highlighter, you can use the highlighter. We have other tools also available. For example, if you want to make shapes, you can use this tool. So I will make a separate video about GoodNotes. The next thing is you can use Samsung Notes, which is pre-installed in this tablet. So I will open a new page. Here we have different tools available. You can use this shape tool. You can use handwriting to text option. For example, if I write here, it will convert it into the text. Then if you want, you can also do the PDF annotations. So if I just select this three dot, I just select this insert, and then here I select PDF. So here once you select this PDF, you can open the PDF file. For example, I have this PDF file, then I press done. So here is my PDF file. Now here I can do all my annotations. For example, if I want to use my pen, if I want to use the highlighter tool, and if I want, I can also insert text. So I select this keyboard, and here I can write my text. The next feature is about S Pen. So guys, this S Pen comes with the tablet. You can attach it at the back side of tablet. So here you can attach it, and it will attach magnetically like this. You can also attach it on top here like that, and you can also use this S Pen as a remote control. For example, if I want to turn on the camera, I will press and hold this S Pen button like this. So here you can see it turn on the camera. Now I want to turn on the selfie camera. So I will just press this S Pen button and I will just do this gesture in the air. So here you can see now it turn on the front camera. Now if I want to take the picture, I will again press this S Pen button like this, and here you can see it will take the picture for me. The next thing is if I want to change to video mode, so I will just press this S Pen button and move it like this. It will turn on the video mode. And now if I want to record this video, again I will press this S Pen button and it will start recording. The next feature is about this official book cover keyboard. So here you can see at the back side we have this kickstand. You can also insert your S Pen here and it will cover like that, and then you can use this keyboard for maximum productivity. So for example, if I want to turn on the DeX, I will just press this FN button and then I press this DeX. So it will turn on the Samsung DeX where I can use this keyboard for maximum use. So I have this trackpad available. I can open any app from here. I can open multiple apps. So for example, I open my Samsung Notes, then I open Good Notes, and then here you can see I open the gallery. The keyboard has all the necessary keys, and once you finish you can just close it like this and put this kickstand back, and then you can carry it with you like this and your tab is fully protected. So guys, with the new VN booster technology, the screen will be more vibrant under direct sunlight. The next feature is about creating AR Doodle using your tab S9 Plus. So first of all, I will open this Air command, then I will select this AR Doodle. Now here you can create different kind of demo videos using this AR Doodle. So for example, I just start recording, and then if I want to highlight this charger in my video, so I will just highlight it like this with my S Pen. Now here if I want to write, I can write. So here I write charger. Now if I want to make some kind of shape, I can make this shape. Once I finish, I will just press stop from here, and then later I can play it. So this will be really helpful if you want to specify any kind of objects in your videos. The next feature is about study mode. So I will bring down this quick panel and then I will scroll, and here you see this option of modes. So just select it. Here I set up different modes. So I will just select this study mode. So once I enable this study mode, everything become grayscale and there are restrictions applied on different apps. I can only use specific apps that are related to my study, and do not disturb is also turned on. So I can focus on my studies only. So how to set up this study mode? So first of all, I will turn off this study mode. So again, I will open the quick panel. I select this study mode option from here. Now you can see everything go back to normal. So to set up your study mode, just go into the settings, then select this modes and routines, and then once you come here you will see this option of add mode. So I already add this study mode, and here I customize everything according to my needs. For example, I select this do not disturb, I select the grayscale on, I restrict apps usage, so I just select it. So these are the only apps that are related to my studies that I can use. The rest of the apps I cannot use in the study mode. So you can enable this setting for more focus on your studies. The next feature is about S Pen to text. For example, I open Google search. Instead of typing here, I can use my S Pen. For example, I just selected and now I will write here brain anatomy. So here you can see it will convert it into the text. Then I select this Google search option, and then here it will show me all the results. Same way I can use it here in the URL section, and I can open any website using my S Pen. The next feature is about widgets. So here you can see on my home screen I have different widgets. So here you can see I have this photo widget. So I put important photos here and I can scroll them as well. So here you can see, so there are different images I put here. The next thing is here I have this weather and time widget, then I have this battery widget, then I have this important task widgets. So once I finish my task, I can just select it directly from my home screen, and then here I have this screen time widgets. So if you want to access your widgets, just press and hold it like this, and here is your widgets, and then here you can select any widget for your home screen. Now I will try gaming on this tablet. So here you can see everything is going pretty smoothly. So I will try to play this game. So here you can see there is no lag with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Everything is going perfectly fine. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.